If your laptop suddenly has no sound, no music, no video audio, nothing, this quick fix will get it back fast. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar. Select Sound Settings. Make sure the output device is set to speaker/Realtek Audio or your main speaker. Sometimes it switches to a disconnected Bluetooth headset. Still no luck? Try pressing Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. That refreshes your audio and display drivers instantly. Keep watching. There's one more step that usually solves it completely. Right-click Start, Device Manager, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio driver, uninstall device, restart your laptop. Windows reinstalls a fresh driver automatically. If that works, perfect. If not, open services.msc, scroll to Windows Audio, right-click, and choose Restart. Pro tip: plug in earphones. If sound works there, your speaker jack might be muted or dusty. If your sound's back, the next video shows how to fix distorted or crackling audio. That one makes your laptop sound brand new again. Tap here to watch it now.